Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Dear students, I'm going to start Cambridge International A-Level exam for Pure Math 1. This exam is taken in October-November session year 2024. Paper reference code is 9709/11. Let us start question number 1. In the expansion of kx plus 2 over x whole to the power 4, where k is a positive constant, the term independent of x is equal to 150. Find the value of k and hence determine the coefficient of x squared in the expansion. In this question, you need to find the value of k by using this information. This is given here. The term independent of x is equal to 150. By using this information, we could easily get the value of k. Find the value of k. After finding value of k, you need to find the coefficient of x squared. We could expand this one by using binomial theorem formula. Let me tell you the formula for binomial theorem. That is a plus b whole to the power n is equals to a to the power n plus nc1 a to the power n minus 1 b plus nc2 a to the power n minus 2 b square. It continues. In between, you can write r plus 1 term, that is also known as the general term in binomial expansion, ncr. A to the power n minus r, p to the power r, plus it continues, and the last term will be p to the power n. It started with a to the power n and ends at b to the power n. Power of a is decreasing and power of b is increasing. Here is no power of b, here is one power of b, there is the next one is two powers, then three powers, so on. And also here power of a is n, then n minus 1, then n minus 2. So there is a symmetry, so it is very easy to memorize. Now we could expand this one by using this formula. Kx plus 2 over x whole to the power 4 is equals to kx whole to the power 4 plus 4c1, because the n is 4 here, so it is 4c1, and the next term will be kx. Here power is 4, so you will take 1 away from 4, it will be 3, and b is 2 over x, so it will be 2 over x here, 1 power. And the next term we can write here 4c2 kx whole to the power square, and this will be 2x power square. And the next term will be 4c3 kx, only 1 power, and this will be 2 over x power 3, plus the last term will be 2 over x whole to the power 4. Actually, we need to find the term independent of x from this expansion. Independent of x term could be found from this value, from here. Here we will get x square in the numerator, and in the denominator we will get x square as well. These two x squares will be cancelled out. We will get the term independent of x. Independent of x means without x. Okay. So we can write here term independent of x is, because this x square and this x square will be cancelled out, and it left with only 4k square, and there is 4c2 as well. It will be 4c2 into 4k square. This is a term independent of x. If you solve this one by using calculator, you get the answer as 24. You write 4c2 multiply 4, you will get 24k square. So this is the term independent of x. There is no x in this term. It is given in the question that this term is equals to 150. It is given in the question. This term is equal to 150. So you will write this term equals to 24k square equals to 150. Simplify this one. K square is equals to 150 divided by 24, and to get rid of square we will take square root. Because k is a positive constant, so you will ignore negative sign when you are taking the square root, so you need to write the positive value of k only. So k will be equals to 5 over 2. So this is the answer of first part of this question, and the next part you need to determine the coefficient of x square. Now you need to find the term involving x square only. Look at these expansions here. In this expansion, you could easily find the term involving x square. Term involving x square is this one, because here x cube and this x will cancel out and we'll get the term involving x square from here. So this will be the term involving x square. Term involving x square is, we can write here 4c1 k cube x cube, and here if you expand this one, 2 over x. So this is the term involving x square. If you simplify this one and also substitute the value of k as well, we'll get the answer as 4c1, and here we can replace the value of k, that is 5 over 2. We already got it. It is the cube, so we'll put here cube and multiply this 2. This 2 comes here, and it left with only x square. Got it? Now you will write as is in your calculator to get the answer of this one. Write 4c1 multiply 5 over 2 whole cube multiply 2 in your calculator to get the answer of this one. It will be 125 x square. Got it? But this is not the final answer. You have to mention the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is the multiple of x square, this one. Therefore, coefficient of x square is equals to 125. Hopefully you understand it. If you have doubt in any part of this question, let me know or write in the comment box. I hope you understand all these questions. If you have doubt, please write in the comment box. Your comments matters. Thank you.